Hello everyone, welcome to the Stoicism and Spirituality channel. Have you ever stopped to think about how much you can change your life? Often we feel that we are at the mercy of circumstances, that we have no control over what happens to us. But the truth is, the power to change is in your hands. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. About how you can take control of your life, change your reality, and become the best version of yourself. Are you ready to take this step? Then keep watching. The first step, recognize your potential to begin the change. You need to understand one fundamental thing: you have the power to change your life. Often we are so focused on problems, difficulties, and limitations that we forget to recognize the potential within us. The first step to changing your life is believing that you are capable. Without this belief, opportunities pass by and you don't notice them. You have skills, you have intelligence, you have strength, even if you haven't realized it yet. And that's something only you can recognize within yourself. When you believe in your own potential, you open yourself to the opportunities and possibilities that lie ahead. Example, I myself went through a period when I didn't believe I could achieve my dreams. But it was when I started to look inside myself and recognize my qualities and abilities that doors began to open. I started taking action and seeing results I never imagined. Understanding that change starts within you. Now you need to understand that the change you so desire doesn't depend on external factors. It doesn't depend on other people or the right moment. Change starts within you, in your interior, in your choices, in how you decide to react to life and its challenges. You can change your mindset, your habits, and the way you see and perceive yourself. And when you start doing that, the world around you also starts to change. Internal transformation always comes before external transformation. Example, I remember a time when I felt lost and thought nothing would change. But when I changed my way of thinking, things started to flow. I focused on what I could control and stopped trying to change what was beyond my reach. That made all the difference. Taking responsibility for your life. Another essential point for changing your life is taking full responsibility for what happens to you. It can be difficult, I know. But when you start to understand that you are the only one responsible for your choices and the direction your life is taking, you begin to take control. It's not about blame, it's about empowerment. When you understand that your actions and decisions shape your destiny, you become more aware of how you are living. And with this awareness comes the power to change anything you desire. Example, before I always blamed work, people, and situations, but I realized that the only person who could change my life was me. When I started taking responsibility, everything began to make more sense and changes started happening. Persistence is the key to lasting change. If there's one thing that change requires, it's persistence. Real and lasting transformation doesn't happen overnight. It takes patience, dedication, and consistency. When you decide to change, you will face difficulties and challenging moments, but the key is not to give up. Persistence is what will take you from where you are to where you want to be. No matter how many times you fall, the important thing is to always get up and keep walking toward your goal. Example, when I started working on my goals, I realized it wouldn't be easy. I had days of discouragement and frustration, but every small victory motivated me to keep going. Persistence is what kept me on the right track, and over time, the results began to show. How to put the power to change into action. Now that you know that the power to change is within you, that change begins with how you see and behave. How can you put it into action? The answer is simple. Start now. Don't wait for the perfect moment or an external change. Start with small actions every day. Every small step counts. Be the first to take action. Don't wait for someone or something to change for you. The power is in your hands to take control of your life. Example. When I started focusing on small daily actions, like organizing my time or practicing new habits, results began to appear. It didn't happen overnight, but with every step I took, my power to change became clearer. You have the power to change your life. It doesn't matter what's happened so far, the future is in your hands. And from today, you can make decisions that will lead you to a new path, full of possibilities and accomplishments. Now it's up to you. Take control, start believing in your potential, and remember that change starts within you. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more content that will help you achieve your goals. Because, in the end, the power to change is in your hands. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.